Hey guys, welcome to an awesome algebra challenge. Today we are looking at 3 different ways to solve just one equation, but only one of them is actually super smart. Stick around for method 3. It solves the whole thing in just one single line, and it will completely change how you look at math fractions. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, method 1. We call this factor it out. This is the classic textbook way to do it. It's totally reliable. But man, it takes 6 whole steps to get to the finish line. Let's look at our equation. X cubed plus x divided by x equals 2. Step 1. Let's get rid of that fraction by multiplying both sides by x. That gives us x cubed plus x equals 2x. Simple enough, right? Step 2. Let's move every single term over to the left side so the right side equals 0. Subtracting 2x from both sides gives us x cubed minus x equals 0. Step 3. See how both parts have an x? Let's pull that common x right out. Now we have x times in parentheses x squared minus 1 equals 0. We're getting somewhere now. Step 4. Look closely inside those parentheses. That's a difference of squares. We can break it down even more into x times x minus 1 times x plus 1 equals 0. Wow, that is a lot of pieces to look at. Step 5. Now we set each of those individual pieces equal to 0. This gives us 3 possible answers. X equals 0, x equals 1, or x equals negative 1. But wait, are we actually done yet? Step 6. Look back at our very first fraction. We can never, ever divide by 0. So we have to throw out x equals 0. It completely breaks the math. That leaves us with our true answers. X equals 1 or x equals negative 1. Phew, that was a lot of work. Now for method 2, guess and check. This is where we just plug in random numbers to see what sticks. It works sometimes, but honestly, it's not a great habit for harder math. Let's see how it goes. Let's try a nice, easy number first. X equals 1. Plugging it into our equation. 1 cubed plus 1 divided by 1 equals 2 divided by 1, which is 2. Yay, it works. That's our first correct answer. Next up, let's test a negative number. Let's try x equals negative 1. We get negative 1 cubed plus negative 1 divided by negative 1, which simplifies to negative 2 divided by negative 1. And guess what? A negative divided by a negative is a positive, so it equals 2. Awesome, another match. What if we try x equals 2? Let's check. 2 cubed plus 2 divided by 2 gives us 10 divided by 2, which equals 5. 5 does not equal 2, so 2 is a total bust. In the end, our guessing game left us with just 2 surviving answers, x equals 1 and x equals negative 1. It worked this time, but it definitely won't work on harder equations. There has got to be a better way. Finally, brace yourselves for the smartest approach. Method 3. Simplify first. We are going to skip that entire factoring dance and reduce the fraction before we even touch the rest of the equation. Watch how magical this is. Step 1. Look at the top of the fraction. Let's factor out an x up there, making it x times x squared plus 1 all over x. Since we already know x can't be 0, we can just cancel out those x's right away. Boom, gone. Step 2. Look at that. The ugly fraction completely collapses into a super clean binomial, x squared plus 1. That feels so much better, doesn't it? Step 3. Now bring back the other side of the equation and set it equal to 2. So x squared plus 1 equals 2. Wow, this looks incredibly easy now. Step 4. Let's get x squared all by itself. Just subtract 1 from both sides, and we get x squared equals 1. We are almost at the finish line. Step 5. Take the square root of both sides and bam! X equals positive or negative 1. Solved cleanly in just 4 quick steps. Look at that beautiful clean setup. No crazy long factoring, no random guessing, just pure smart simplification from start to finish. It is the ultimate math shortcut, the exact same answer, from 3 completely different roads. So leave a comment below and tell me, which method would you have picked? The long 6 steps, the guessing game, or the ultra smart shortcut? Remember, always look to simplify your fractions first. See you next time.